Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. Today's video is about eating duck meat during pregnancy. So let's start this video. Duck meat is a type of poultry that is fattier than chicken. It is a rich source of protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. All of these nutrients are required to maintain the expectant mother's health as well as for the healthy growth and development of the fetus. So it is considered to be well nutritious. If you like poultry meat and you are wondering whether meat is safe to consume during pregnancy or not, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to tell you all about having duck meat during pregnancy. So first of all, let's talk about the health benefits of eating duck meat during pregnancy. First, great source of protein. Duck meat offers high quality protein including a variety of essential and non-essential amino acids to the expectant mother that is required for a healthy pregnancy. A pregnant woman needs 75 to 100 gram of protein per day depending upon the total body weight. Every 3-ounce serving of duck meat provides you approximately 23.5 gram of proteins, hence help you to meet your daily requirement of protein intake. Second, boost immune system. Duck meat is a great source of a mineral called selenium that works as an antioxidant. It helps to prevent cell damage and prevent inflammation, thereby boost your immune system. Third, rich in B vitamin. Duck meat is a good source of B vitamins. The entire B complex of 8 vitamins plays a key role in a safe and healthy pregnancy. Foods rich in vitamin B helps to boost your energy levels. Fourth, strengthen teeth and bones. Duck meat is a great source of calcium and phosphorus. Both of these nutrients play a key role in strengthening teeth and bones. Calcium is a crucial nutrient for your baby's heart, muscles and nerves. It also helps in the formation of a baby's teeth and bones. It helps to prevent preeclampsia and osteoporosis that are common pregnancy complications faced by many pregnant women. Fifth, promotes healthy heart. Ducks are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fatty acids support the development of the baby's brain, eyes and nervous system. Sixth, prevent anemia. Anemia occurs due to the lack of red blood cells. Your body requires iron to make additional blood for you and your little one during pregnancy. Duck meat offers you an adequate amount of iron that helps to boost your red blood cell count and reduces the risk of developing anemia. Seventh, lowers cholesterol levels. Duck contain monounsaturated fats that are well known to keep cholesterol levels under control, thereby prevent further complications caused due to high cholesterol levels. Eighth, rich in antioxidants. Duck meat contains antioxidants that fight free radicals in your body. Antioxidants protect your cells against free radicals. Ninth, supports thyroid function. Duck meat contains an ample amount of selenium, a mineral that plays numerous essential functions in your body. It protects the thyroid gland from oxidative stress and is also essential for thyroid hormone function. Now let's move on to the section of frequently asked questions. First, is it safe to eat duck meat and duck eggs during pregnancy? Duck meat and duck eggs are safe to consume during pregnancy if they are fully cooked. Make sure to cook duck meat and duck eggs properly. Duck eggs are safe to consume in pregnancy if they are fully cooked along with hard yolk. Second, Is it safe to eat duck breast or duck steaks during pregnancy? Duck breast or duck steaks are usually served rare to medium cooked, and consumption of pink duck is not suitable for a pregnant woman due to the bacteria such as Salmonella or Campylobacter. Both of these bacteria are killed by heat thoroughly cooking. Third, can pregnant women eat duck meat? Yes, duck meat is safe and healthy to consume if it is properly cooked at a temperature of 165 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth, is it safe to eat crispy duck or Peking duck or duck spring rolls during pregnancy? Crispy duck is fully cooked, hence safe to consume during pregnancy. Duck spring rolls are also safe to consume while pregnant as it is cooked and deep fried well before serving. Duck meat is undoubtedly a great source of vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but make sure to cook it properly. Avoid consuming raw or undercooked duck meat as it may contain bacteria that can lead to serious complications during pregnancy. Consult your doctor before consuming duck meat while pregnant. So that's all about today's video. If you guys have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask them on the comment section. To know more on this topic, you can click on the link given in the video's description box. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Visit our website www.motherbabycare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabycare.in. Like, share this video and do subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.